I tested a LaurDIY tutorial. Want to find out how it turned out? What's up, Pam Fam? Underneath this box is my finished product. If you haven't been here before, I test out recipes and DIYs to tell you if they're worth your time. This is what Lauren's looked like. Hers has a little bit of glitter in it because she used a Mod Podge glue that had glitter in it, so I put a little dab of glitter in mine. Glitter. You want to see what's underneath this box? Is it epic? Did I fail again? Is it hilarious? Is it amazing? Well, before I show you the results, I'm going to give you my tips. So I followed LaurDIY's tutorial. I'll put a link down below so you can follow along too if you want to, once you see how mine turned out. Boo, 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 boo! Tip number 1. If you have thicker paper like cardstock or an index card that you can print onto, I would use that because it makes the graphic pop off the canvas just a little bit more. Tip number 2. Woo, number 2. Lauren actually gave this tip as well, but I want to make sure that you hear it. Choose a graphic with colors that complement your background color. So you could pick a different background color based off your graphic, or you could even draw your own graphic if you're not finding what you want or the colors that you want. I know a lot of you are artists. So I picked this lime green color because it's really popping with the yellow and pink that's in my graphic. Tip number 3. So I noticed that Lauren was doing this, but she doesn't actually say it. When you're painting, make sure you're stroking in the same direction repeatedly because it makes the canvas just look smoother and more polished. Before I show you what's under the box, let me remind you what hers looked like. So it's all sparkly, it's got a little motel, it's cute. This one she did butterflies. I know you're like, Pam, can we see what's underneath the box? Well, guess what? It's finally time! The big reveal is in 3, 2, 1. OMG! That's what it says. It says that. Here are the two side by side. Obviously, they look a little bit different because we use different graphics, but overall, I think they look pretty similar. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. OMG! So, you saw how mine turned out. It's time to figure out if I thought it was worth it. And it is! When LaurDIY, the queen of DIYs, puts out a video, you try one, and it's definitely worth it. If you're bored AF, as Lauren said, you should try this. It was pretty cheap, and my favorite part was it was easy, and it turned out good. OMG, it turned out good. So if you like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you can find more of my videos. Also, follow me on Instagram and send me videos if you test out this DIY as well. I would love to see it. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it because it's the closest social contact I get these days, so that'd be nice. Okay, bye.